I'm going to put a real quick video together for this Gottlieb Select card. It's made in 1950. It's a turret shooter game, and that means that there's no shooter rod. Instead, it has a oscillating launcher, and the ball will shoot out in the direction of the arrow when I hit the flippers. There's a selector on the front that allows me to choose between the A, B, C, D cards. I'll go with A. And it doesn't have a whole lot of features. It's mostly a lighting type game. Lights tell you what it's doing and how it's going. If I hit this 4 switch, the 4 light goes out. Same thing with the 7, the 11, and the 8. On the upper portion where the targets are, if I hit the 3, the light behind the 3 is going to go out, and the one above it's going to come on, and that's the case with all of these targets. And we get our scoring through these various lights on the back glass, and that's it. There's no score reels or anything like that. It's got 2 flippers, and those 2 flippers don't always do a lot because there's such a wide open area in between them that it's not hard to launch a ball right up the middle and have it come right back down the middle, and without a lucky bounce you might not touch the ball with the flippers at all for more than 1 or 2 balls in the game. But they're 5 shots, so you get 5 chances, and that pretty much covers what I figured out about the game. And I'm gonna hit the flippers and put a game on it, and we'll see how we do. Kind of see my point about that, I'm sure. Now, actually what just happened there is I got cheated out of my 5th ball. It bounced into the trough and activated the relay that would kick the 5th ball on, but it fell right back in there, so I never got to shoot it. So that's one of the little problems I always find with EM games, is they're very yes or no. Yes, the switch has been activated, that's it. Whereas more modern games, they have a little technology to make sure that these things don't happen and the player doesn't get cheated out of a ball. But I will put one more ball or one more game on it just to try to give a little better showing, I hope. But you know, it is a 70-year-old game. It was made in 1950, so you know, by today's standards, it's going to be pretty uneventful. It's more of a novelty piece. Now on this 5th ball, you'll notice the 500,000 lanes light up, and so will the 100,000 when lit bumpers. That only happens on the 5th ball, which we got cheated out of last time. And that's, you know, that was pretty decent for one of these, you know, from my experience kicking around a couple times. But pretty cool little game. Could use a little more flipper strength. Could use a little longer flipper in my opinion, but want to keep it original, so there it is. And it's a pretty fun project.